My name is Rohan, and I am an engineer. I graduated in 2018 as a triple E engineer, and I have secured a B School admit for PGDM marketing specialization at TAPME Manipal. And as of now, I'm waitlisted for core, but it's a very convertible waitlist, and I should be converting that too soon again. When I joined Endeavor, that was the first time I ever joined Endeavor was in Bangalore when I was in the third year of engineering. And obviously, like anybody who starts their CAT journey or B School journey, was that I want to get into IIM. But sadly, I could not write CAT the first time around, but I knew how good Endeavor was. So that's why again last year when the lockdown happened in 2020 June, I joined Endeavor with the dream that I want to do well in CAT. I want to do well in the entrance exams, and that helped me really measure my goals and just take it step by step. So the number one, the first and foremost specific thing at Endeavor is that there is a lot of accountability. Like it's not like any other coaching center that I have been used to or I have seen my friends, is where you are left to yourself. Like you just come in, attend the classes and leave. There is a lot of responsibility. Like you just can't come into the class today and you're not up to date with us what has happened in the last class. There is a very strict schedule that is being followed. So as a result, that inculcates a lot of discipline that I felt would be missing in self-study. And the faculty are very, very committed to the cause. Even if the class is of 40 people, I have seen the faculty knowing each and every person. And this is not only special to the Endeavor branch that I went to. I have heard this from each and every person who has attended Endeavor. And especially one special thing that I saw Endeavor had is that for VARCs, you have to read the editorial, you have to read the book, and you have to submit a book report every 15 days and an editorial report every day, which I think was a very special addition that I had not even heard about in any other coaching centers. So I'll be clear, when I came in, my quant was very weak and my LRDI was very weak, and I was very, very, very afraid of how I was going to do it. But so in Endeavor, you had a basic module for quant first of all, and that was like 50 questions, and then came in the difficult module that had like 40 questions, like an intermediate level, and then came in the advanced module. And it was so properly, evenly spaced out that you're solving the 50 questions and that raises your confidence a little bit. Then you go to the next 40 questions and that gives you even more confidence. And just by doing these 90 questions over and over again, you have almost touched upon all different kinds of problems that can appear. And that felt very, very sufficient to me, because I don't remember solving any other material except this. Discussion. So group discussion interview was when I got my TAPME call first on the 21st of January. And there were immediately the Google Forms rolled out by the faculties and the non-teaching staff. And I think it was a complete one whole afternoon for 4.5, 5 hours. And it was so intensive. I mean, Sazil sir started with things that you could not expect. Like, he's like, I'm going to teach you how you're supposed to set the lighting so that it looks good, how you're supposed to set the room. And like, who would you think are going to teach you these things, right? And it was so much fun. There were good topics. He taught us how to talk. He gave us a very, very, very real experience of how a TAPME group discussion could look like. We explored around 4 to 5 topics. Everybody participated. He gave us so many pointers: what to wear, what to look like, what are the hand signs, how you should be gesticulating while you speak. And it was just so good that when my actual GD day came, I was not even worried, because we had practiced close to 5 to 6 times with different kinds of people, grouping in and around inside the number of people who were present. So it was really, really good. I was not even tensed. I did very well because he covered almost every kind of question. He took a interview for 50-55 minutes both of the time, and he covered every kind of question that is possible. And except for a few questions, I don't think anything else was asked. So Endeavor test series is that when I started writing CAT, and I wrote the CAT test series like 3 or 4 times. And when I compared it to the different previous year papers, I saw that the pattern is very, very similar to what had appeared over the years, and that it followed a proper pattern of difficult, easy, difficult, easy. And also that when I talk about the NMAT, right down to the interface, it was very, very accurate, and the questions were difficult, not very easy, but preparing you for a much more difficult level than the actual exam, so that by the time the day of the exam comes, you're prepared for something much more difficult. And yeah, I mean, it was really great. It was really accurate. And there is full length mock test series, there is take home, there is live mock test series, there are sectional tests. I mean, I've written so many tests I lost count, and as a result of that, I was able to do well in NMAT, and ended up scoring 100 out of 120 in the verbal section. If there is one thing about Endeavor that really convinced me, and that will, if I have to ever recommend a coaching center to anyone again, I will recommend to Endeavor, is how much patience each and everybody working at Endeavor has. Be it in the Bangalore branch that I attended in 2017, or be it the online branch that I attended. For Neil sir, I asked him to repeat something 6 times once because I just could not understand it. And I have known teachers who would be like, at the end of it, they're like, I don't want to do it. Neil sir will repeat it 6 times. Until and unless you get it, he will not move forward. Until and unless each and every person in the class, when it's 40 people in the class, until each and everyone gets it, he will not move forward. Even though it was an online class and we couldn't see each other, he made the class very light-hearted. And we developed such a bond. Like the 40 of us, we developed a bond with them. We developed a bond with Ruga ma'am. Ruga ma'am was also the same. You take any faculty in Endeavor, what sets them apart is their patience. They will answer your questions anyhow number of times, and they will solve questions with you in the live classroom. And that, I think, is a very big addition that I've not seen any of my other friends having that kind of an experience in their coaching centers. So the non-teaching stuff, even when I was in offline, when I was in the offline class or the online class, all I had to do was, like, during the online classes, I had some issue with my login portal, and I think I dropped an email, and within 4 hours each time, no matter how many students are messaging, within 4 hours I would always receive a reply and a solution to any kind of a problem. Be it the person on Telegram group who's doing the scheduling, be it the person who's responding to my queries. Even though there are a large number of students, I would always receive a reply very quickly, and everybody would be available on WhatsApp. Like the person who was my point of contact while I was planning to take this course. And yeah, I mean, it was very smooth and efficient. Everybody was reachable at any time possible. So one of the most important thing we know is, while preparing, like once we are done with writing the entrance exam phase, and we need to prepare for the GK, and we need to prepare for talking points. So the monthly GK video that was uploaded by Endeavor, it gave you a very good starting point and like a direction, so that you know which topics you have to prepare for. And I stuck to the topics that were in these videos, and that was more than sufficient for me. So I used those YouTube videos Also, let's not forget that after every mock test that was over, the live mock analysis that happened and that was uploaded, and also like each exam analysis and how you should be preparing, scheduling. So the YouTube channel is pretty intensive and vast if you dive into it and use it. My number one pro tip would be that stick to Endeavor material and trust whatever they have in schedule for you. You can just close your eyes and do that. Don't think about doing anything else. This is more than enough. Number two is that Endeavor is not a place where you can just come and study and then you decide you'll go somewhere, because the teachers work a lot, the non-teaching staff, everybody works a lot, so you have to keep up with them. And number three is, don't get stressed out, just enjoy. It's a lot of fun, and I think it is also one of the good phases even before your B school starts. The one most memorable moment I think I would definitely say is that I think like 1 month before the ZAT exam, I was struggling a lot with my VARC preparation. That in the mocks, like 3-4 mocks before, like in the beginning of December, I was able to score very low. Like I was able to score only 75th percentile or so, and I sat down with Muga ma'am and I'm like, please help me out. And she gave me a lot of tips and she told me to keep practicing so and so. And as a result, I was able to end up with a 90th percentile in VARC in ZAT in the final. So I think that I'll remember so much, that she took out time for an individual student. So that was very special for me. But one thing that I've learned from Endeavor is your B school is going to be very, very rigorous. And when somebody says that Endeavor is too strict, I am like, this is in preparation, in line with what is going to happen at your B school. So this is one thing that I've learned, is that Endeavor's rigor is not only for you to do well in CAT exam, but it's also that if you end up getting in B school, you're already used to a certain level of discipline, because that is what we hear from our seniors about how TAPME's life is going to be like. So I think that is very special, that I've just realized that now when I'm close to starting the school. If I have to describe Endeavor in 3 words, it would be discipline. You're going to follow the schedule. You're going to always be on the track. And then I would have to say a lot of fun. You're going to have fun with your classmates. You're going to have fun in the class. And then I would definitely say rigor is that you're going to follow a very rigorous and continuous approach to do well in all the exams. Making the CAT process so easy compared to how I was struggling prior to June when I was trying to study on my own. So I would recommend to anyone out there that take Endeavor coaching without any second thoughts.